Okay, here's an interesting example. We could expand this out in trying to make it look like this, and that's completely fine, but there's a little bit shorter method here. Okay, before I show you the shortcut method, I'm actually going to do the typical method, which is the goal is to first convert it into this form. So let's expand this. Multiply these two, double. Okay, collect these two. On the right side, we're going to be left with 5n squared. These two will cancel each other out. Collect these two, and you're going to get a minus 5. Factor out, or divide both sides by 5. Okay, and we have our answer to be n equals 1 or minus 1. Okay, so this form right here is essentially this form with the middle term missing. Okay, here's another method. Because they're both squared, we can say, well, 2n plus 3 then must equal to 3n plus 2. Okay, and that's a really simple example, simple equation to solve. 3n, 2n gives you n, 3 minus 2 gives you 1. Done. Another way we can do this is 2n plus 3. Not only can it equal to 3n plus 2, but it can also equal to the minus of 3n plus 2. Because when you square it, right, when you square both sides, we still end up with what we have here. So that's the tricky part. You have to consider the positive and the negative part. Then we get a 5n equals minus 5, so n is equal to minus 1. Okay, so both equations is simpler than what we have to put up with right here. Okay, although after this it didn't get that much more complicated, but I would say this is a little bit shorter. But for you to use this method, you have to first recognize that of course we can do it this way, but we can have a different approach.